Hi, Dex here with a look at how to play Good Times by Chic. First things first, let's hear what you're going to be learning to play. Okay, that's pretty cool. How do you play it? Obviously this will be a lot easier because the camera won't be rocking as much. This is the main chord you need. It's based on an E minor 7, so you've got E in the bass and you've got B, D, G and another B. If you struggle to reach that fingering, you could miss out the lower note for any of these voicings. So that's what we are basing most of the tune on, is that arrangement. When you go to move between the E root note and the A, we've got this chord, which is a B minor 7, sort of. So if you think of B minor 7, and then you're back to the same position in the right hand, but the left hand moves to an A root note. And to get from there, you play an A6 chord to get back. So that's A, C sharp, F sharp and A. Again, miss out that lower A if you can't reach all four notes. Okay, so you've got starting position, back to the starting position, A6, the only other thing you need to practice is getting the little embellishments in between in there. So the first one that you can learn, you want to have quite a bright piano sound to get this to sound properly. But what you are doing is you are playing a G and a D together, moving the D to an E very quickly, and then back to the D while still holding down the G. Okay, you have to do that quite quickly though, so and the other run is just playing B and D just before you play that A6 chord. So you've got first position, first little run, back to first position again, and back to the beginning. That's it. I'll put a backing track up for this so you can practice along like the one you heard at the beginning, so it will just have the bass and the drums for you to play along with. Enjoy getting to grips with that lovely little disco riff. Did you like and subscribe? Thumbs up always appreciated, and catch you next time. Bye.